If your nervous system is the body's high-speed internet, zapping messages in milliseconds, the endocrine system is its postal service. It doesn't send electrical signals, it mails chemical letters called hormones through your bloodstream. It's not built for speed, but for duration, controlling long-term projects that take hours, days, or even decades, things like growth, metabolism, and sleep cycles. It all starts with glands, which are special organs that produce and release these hormones. Once a hormone is in the blood, it travels everywhere. But it doesn't affect every cell. Think of it like a radio broadcast. You only hear the station if your receiver is tuned to the right frequency. A cell only listens to a hormone if it has the specific receptor molecule on its surface. The whole operation is run by a pea-sized organ at the base of your brain, the pituitary gland. It's the master gland. It releases hormones that tell other glands what to do. For example, it releases growth hormone, which instructs your bones and muscles to grow. Other key players get their orders from the pituitary. The thyroid in your neck controls your metabolism, how fast you burn energy. The pancreas in your abdomen produces insulin to manage blood sugar after a meal. And the adrenal glands on your kidneys release adrenaline, the famous fight or flight hormone that hijacks your body in an emergency. So how does the body avoid sending too many messages? With negative feedback loops. It's like a thermostat. When your house reaches the right temperature, the heater gets a signal to turn off. Similarly, when hormone levels are just right, the brain tells the pituitary to stop sending its signal. This constant, quiet regulation keeps your internal chemistry in a perfect narrow window, the slow, powerful force managing the marathon of your life, not just the sprint.